mirror equation kha umzil azak chu mi khatin equation on dong hen lan image size bangza hi diale ai kala om ne chi koi kon draw di chi thi mok lok mo a number za a kha gen ngai mirror equation pen kha hai mang hin lo di chamte di formula te chamte ni di 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f ile f value kha bang f value kha r by 2 hi mai ma r is cha chu lim lang na draw chang kha compass and draw ile hai center of curvature hai kha a radius ai pen kha radius mai f pen kha akim khat chet mo isa ka r by 2 is f ai kha mirror equation lim lang ki lim lang in a mirror chi nang nang le hai zam ni mai magnification bang chi tu kalyana alim bang chi tu kalyana chi le kha m equal to hi height of image by height of object then idro te kha object kha hai cha pha in chan ke reflect kole image kha hai cha pha chi ma asan dan height ahi dia ai kha minus v by u less at ma image kha v hai v by u te kha i the kha image distance dan ni gen te ki lim lang mangi chang ta ga object khai chana ko ni ni le hai pola pat hai ki ka kha object distance kha u mai ma u pen kha object distance image kha lim pen kha hemun khong mu hi le chu he pata hai ki ka v image distance mai v is image distance u is object distance height of image namuna v ko di height of object namuna u ko di ele za the sign convention ni chi chu minus di ha plus di ha hai the san ngai mo all measurements of distance are made from the pole of the mirror hey khapo poimo thil solve changa hey assign convention lagdan the kiule no boy gi ni mo distance are made from the pole chi to hey a mirror ke su khang na hey e pole distance mim khai hey pata kila ai le object khai mai dim ta object apata light rays pai ke di le bang helama pai mo helam direction helama ki ko kya ahi le bangale ge ni chi le kha a direction azui kha pe ma kha plus azui kha lo pe ma kha minus tuna hey object hey ki ka bang chu 10 cm chi tani hilele a light rays kha bang hey pata pai kya hile in distance measure cha bang e apata li measure ngai mo hey apata kha u bang chi to ka gamla hey pata non te to ngai opposite direction na te kha ni changa kha distance kha 10 hi le kha u should be equal to minus 10 hey minus 10 hey minus pen kha minus 10 na hi chi nai lon che minus pen kha hey pata amai lama o ma hi chi na mo tuna image bang le gana I draw dan yo champai he mun khong om khai tale a light ray kha hela ma pai nang kha apola pata non measure cha kha a light ray pai na lama measure kha ni changa kha 8 cm v should be equal to 8 cm positive hi mai de ma so plus pen kha hela ma pai kha hi or behind the mirror am kha hi chi nai mirror kha hi cham de lo chen amai lam am pe ma minus anung lam am pe ma kha plus aya cham te ni hi mai aksam lo ma image kha hela am kha jen ane la hela am kha cha 8 cm ma v equal to minus 8 maja a mirror minus am kha cha minus tin khai cham te diwa pailawa khat height of image principal exists ya hi le he pata atunglam kok to ting ha plus anwailam kok ting ha minus object height kha plus gi ye ni ma ajak cho tunglam kok gi ge changa 8 cm by plus 8 mai image kha anwailam kok su ni le minus 8 cm plus le minus in kha koinam ko ka tunglam ko kya anwailam ko kya or tunglam ko le chu erect sili anwailam ko minus or anwailam ko ngi le chu inverted chi the ni mai na cham te ni wa kon ge plus minus to na question an object 4 cm high is placed at a distance of ita question number 1 ana sim ko mulan solve din ki sa tali Acipit question acipit angle kingaldi. Object height. So height of object. Distance of 40 centimeter in front. In front ni chilo so imagine sa mirror jam ya. Direction na mapayele so in front ampeo ma ka minus mai di ma. Ay so object is in front. 40 so minus 40. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature hai so radius lekha. A mirror maila mamkai sa minus mai di ma. Radius of curvature is 60. Formula radius of curvature ki point mo low focal length ki point mo r by 2 is 30 centimeter. Naita find the position, nature and size of the image. Chai ting apa ta kha position koi munam dia. Position koi munam dia chu v ma image distance koi am di. Nature real image ya virtual ya. Size of the image lian zo ya new zo ya ma. Ati ngai di. Iti entale. Concave mirror is itaka nalung si mahay concave mirror pen ko ipatsa chat leo chen. Now, mga mirror equation 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. V ha akoy lang mama tinalo is 1 by v minus plus gel tinalo. U ha minus 40. F hala minus 30. 30 akoy le direct in image ka kin kon buang ngal mai da so there is minus 120 centimeter mo de ma minus 120 centimeter hey minus penin banga again minus na mole a image le a mirror mai lama am di china hela ma ki form mo din jin hela ma ki form di china ma 120 centimeter in front of the mirror china. Magnification formula ka bangale ahile magnification ay formula ya n bangale ini ha h o tik m pen kini lo cha I think so usang di I think so usang hi ki thina lo hi h o 4 minus v pin minus 120 minus ki cancel si thema lo tale apa gi direct na lu chin poilo v ha 40 hey minus ale minus 120 direct ka kalak dan the ki ul chu formula minus hey pele minus is minus 120 minus is plus 20 divided by minus 40 ini chu hi equal to minus 120 by 40 into 4 0 cut hi equal to minus 12 centimeter hi equal to minus 12 centimeter tigel kha tigel ki mukhya ma mukhya tigel apa ta kha question in kha v to I jong kya chilo balance on find the position in nature. Therefore, image is at 120 centimeter. Minus and plus minus side is in front of the mirror. Hi image ka minus side is atung lam kok lo china anoi lam kok china ma anoi lam kok le bang real and inverted. It is real and size ka bangza 12 centimeter. Ika answer himay de. Question number 2 na li. So sugzuan ni wa no le kom solve sam leo chama video na pause diwa solve lan na solve so chang na te kag leo chin nan sar mu pinu ki bangam find the object distance to form an image magnified 4 times actually so magnified 4 times ai ngai ma ai chang kha kun ke focal length 20 Kunke facu focal length mailamam mirror mailamam khai changa maina sinima. Thisa. Dani ko ya. Image is real to image is virtual. Ni nason khan ngai ni. Image is real hi na kha object ko yom ngai. Image is virtual hi na kha object ko yom ngai. Thil ni zon khan ngai ni ma. A hi ne chu object distance la ki pelawi changa. Let u equal to minus x centimeter. Minus is chu object kha mirror ma yom ti ti ngai chang kha minus hi ngai mo. Ya hi le I think apata mga lem di. Magnification akha bang v by u mo. A formula chu minus minus v by u hina hi le hai pena minus ko ina da ni bangja ka question a image kha real adi atoma zong di virtual adi atoma zong di ai ja ka a hi dan dan in koi phol le 4 v u per kha minus x ai chu v equal to 4x he penale minus ko ina lo lai di 4x chu phot de 4x lekha mirror formula 1 by v plus 1 by ni hai pini zat ma kha question ni an ki jong when image is real to when image is virtual real chang kha bang real is kha point of intersection ne in hoi ba na bang they are point of intersection ani cha kha helama ki intersect helo him helama ki intersect ni su helama ki intersect ni le chu bang in front of the mirror chang kha v kha minus hai ti ti ngai mo image is real cha kha v equal to minus 4x so 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f v kha bang minus 4x plus u kha bang minus x f kha bang minus 20 therefore let's get solve sign kon ko mai da x equal to 15 centimeter image kha real hi na nga kha object should be placed 15 centimeter in front ma ahile point number 2 akha virtual chang achu bang ki intersect lo dena dotted line ni draw te kha dotted line ni draw na anung lama draw ti te ngai mo anung lama draw de chu behind the mirror ting ting kha array paina lam zui chang kha minus lo din chi v kha plus ta ni mo le chu v kha plus 4x ngai ni mo plus 4x itale mirror formula 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f v kha 4 solve sign ko ile x equal to 95 centimeter therefore image ka virtual hi na nga object should be placed 25 centimeter in front of mirror yeah you made it real image in front of image ki form di dele object kha 15 centimeter ra koi di object kha nungla ki form di dele kha 25 centimeter ra koi di sorry calculation ko kya kha ma pena 25 pena 15 real image dele kha object 25 centimeter in front of the mirror ko di virtual image dele kha object 15 centimeter in front of the mirror ko di